Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix send later option missing from your iPhone. So if you don't see this send later icon here, when you tap the plus sign on the messages, then let me show you how you can fix this. So the first and the very easiest way of fixing the send later option which is missing is by updating your iPhone. So first you want to go to settings. Next you want to go ahead and tap on general. From here, tap on software update. And here you want to make sure you're on the latest iOS. If you have an update pending, go ahead and download that update and install it to your iPhone. Once the install is complete, you want to go ahead and check out the send later option for your messages, and you should see it there. Now, if you don't see it, the very simple method is to restart your iPhone and see if that fixes it. So you want to go to your settings, go to general, tap on shutdown. From here, you want to go ahead and swipe right, and that will power off your iPhone. Once the iPhone powers off, go ahead and power back on by holding your standby button here on the right hand side. And then after that, go ahead and see if you see the send later feature. Now, if that does not work, you want to go into settings, you want to go into general, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see transfer and reset iPhone. Now you want to go ahead and tap on reset. And now here you want to go ahead and select reset network settings. So do that, and then go ahead and check if you see the send later feature. If you still don't see it, then unfortunately the issue is not your side. It could be that whoever you're trying to message, their iPhone model does not support the send later feature, or their iPhone model has not been updated to the latest iOS, which supports the send later feature. So there you go guys, that is how to fix the send later option missing from your iPhone.